Want to transform your WordPress site with interactive attention-grabbing buttons? Well, check out Magnetic Button by WDesignKit. This widget will give your site visitors a unique experience when they will hover on your site buttons. With multiple customization options and the ability to add links, these buttons are perfect to enhance your web pages. Eager to know how it's done? Let's dive in. The widget we will be using here is offered by WDesignKit. Speaking in terms of figures, it includes over 2000 pre-designed templates and 100 plus pre-built widgets for Elementor, Gutenberg and Bricks, along with a cloud workspace and much more. We will discuss about more of its features in detail soon, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. Now let's start with the tutorial. Make sure you have installed Elementor, and we will also need WDesignKit, so come up here and click Add New Plugin. Then search for it. And here it is, WDesignKit. Simply click on Install Now, then Activate. Moving ahead to Appearance, and here as you can notice, I'm using Nexter theme. However, feel free to use any other theme as per your preference. Now, in order to use this plugin, we will need to make an account with WDesignKit. Simply come here and click on WDesignKit. Next, up here in the header section, click on Login. At the bottom here, it's written Don't have an account. Click Sign Up. Now this web page will open up where it's visible that you can sign up with your socials, or here after you fill all the details mentioned, simply click on this button. I already have an account, so I'll simply click Sign In. And then I will click on Continue with Google. Once you're logged in, you will get to see this kind of interface. It's time to activate our widgets, so come up here in the header section and click on Browse Widgets. Now search Magnetic. And here it is, Magnetic Button widget. Simply download it by clicking on this icon. Now let's make sure it's downloaded by going into the My Widget section. Perfect. Now opening the Elementor editor, here's my basic page design in which I want to integrate our magnetic button. I'd like to place that button right here, that is in between the large text and banner picture. So what am I gonna do next? You know it. Simply move to the widgets panel and search magnetic button. Then drag and drop this widget into our design. Currently, as you can see, it's not looking very good. So I will have to design it a bit to make it look aesthetically pleasing with respect to our design. That's done! Looking much better. You can also notice the effect in action as I hover my cursor over it. Now it's time to explore the customization options it comes with. Opening the Content tab here, you will get to see 4 options that are Title, URL, Select Icon and Alignment. As the name suggests, from here you can change the text of the button. For example, I wanted to read Book Now. So I will remove the existing text and type Book Now. That's it. Also down here you can utilize this URL section by adding a link to your form. This way whenever a visitor clicks on the button, they will be directed to a form where you can collect their information, allowing you to easily connect with potential clients for your services. Moving ahead, you can also add an icon inside the button using this Select Icon option. You have 2 choices here, that is, either you can upload your own SVG, or if you don't have one, you can also click on this section to access Elementor's extensive icon library. Cool, right? That's done. A quick run through of all the important widget options. It's time to update and have our final look. Now don't forget to explore other amazing features WDesignKit offers. It provides various design assets and resources to create amazing WordPress websites in a matter of minutes. With its 2000 plus page templates, sections and kits, you can import pre-made WordPress websites. It comes with its own Power Widget Builder, using which you can convert any custom code to Elementor widget, blocks or bricks elements. And not only that, as we shared earlier, it has its own 100 plus growing collection of pre-made widgets for Elementor, Gutenberg and Bricks. Using WDesignKit Page Builder Converter, you can convert your Elementor widget to Gutenberg blocks and even Bricks elements. Amazing, right? Lastly, for all the power WordPress users who create multiple websites, WDesignKit also comes with its cloud workspace, where you can store your created widgets and page sections on the cloud and import on any other website, as well as collaborate with your team members. To be honest, you can say me delusional, but WDesignKit is the tool which can increase your productivity by 100%. It comes with both free and pro plan. You can check all the details from this pricing page and choose the plan which suits your need. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, if you're curious, be sure to check out our next video where I will show you how you can add sleek looking collapsible menus into your Elementor site. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel with the bell icon turned on so that you don't miss any of such amazing and creative videos we keep on adding inside our WDesignKit playlist every week. Until next time, stay creative and keep learning.